Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video or the camera mode. I just prefer the camera because here I hope that you can see those grid lines and the leveler kind of or horizontal line. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. And I want to say that they, I hope so, should disappear after resetting the settings. So in order to do that, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the left upper corner. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the restore defaults option. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and you can see, or actually you cannot see, the grid lines and the horizontal line, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.